Hello friends, I'm Mimi. Today we are going to draw the famous cartoon character Donald Duck wearing his cute red hood. Did you know that Donald Duck first appeared in a Disney cartoon in 1934? He is known for his funny voice, sailor outfit, and sometimes grumpy personality, but he is also one of the most loved cartoon characters in the world. Now grab your paper and pencils and let's start drawing Donald Duck step by step. Step 1. First, we start by drawing the eyes. After drawing a round circle, we draw a smaller circle inside it and color the pupils. Step 2. We connect the space between the eyes, then add the mouth drawing and its details. Step 3. We draw a half circle right above the head to create the hat. Step 4. We add hair details to both corners of the hat and complete the eyebrow drawing. Step 5. We draw a big U shape to create Donald Duck's body. Step 6. We add the hood details to complete the Donald Duck drawing and move on to coloring.